Hey, good morning, everybody. Just a real quick update on this slash kit that I bought yesterday. It is now a roller, as you can tell. Oh, I got the paint scheme picked out, got the colors picked out, but I've got to go pick up 2 more cans of paint to pull the paint job off. I don't have enough of 2 different colors, but it is going to be a 3-color scheme. Nothing fancy, just some blocks blocked off, just lines and mess. But all together, went together in about an hour and a half. Could not sleep this morning, so I got up at 4:30, drank a cup of coffee, came out to the shop about 5, and by 6:30, 6:45, she was done. Now, the only differences that I've done with this thing, I found some old parts that I had. I put an RPM front bumper on it that was in a parts box. And the same thing with the rear, RPM rear bumper with those daggum mud flaps. They probably come off, but I just thought it was kind of neat. So I threw them on there, fit the transmission perfectly, have the ESC installed. Everything is basically ready to go. I have to get the radio. I don't know if I'm going to put it on that radio or put it on my Fly Sky. I'm thinking I'm going to put it on my Fly Sky, but that is the last thing to do, is to tie a radio system into it. But it is laid out. Everything is built. The cool thing about this truck when you build it is the shocks are already built. The only thing you have to do is put oil in them and then hang the springs on them and put the spring retainers on the bottom of the shocks, and they're ready to go. Now, I might play around with a little bit of it because it does have a lot of sag in the back. And mind you, you get a lot of these spacers here with it, but there's a way to keep it from doing all of this sagging. I think you guys know what it is. If you don't, hey, not going to tell all my secrets, but pretty simple to do. 15 turn, or I think it's a 12 or 15 turn motor. I'm not exactly sure. Titan 12, there it is. Bone stock, comes with a locator plate, makes it foolproof to put it in there. Stock gearing, I believe, is a 14 and a 90. Battery in it is just to set ride height. And yeah, I mean, it's good to go. I do have to tie in the servo. The servo's in it. I just haven't centered the servo. And then I'll put the servo saver on the servo, tighten everything down. It should be ready to race. But yeah, pretty freaking happy with it. Body, again, is going to be a 3-color paint job. If I can make it to town today and find paint, it'll be a little bit too hot to paint it today, but maybe in the morning I can start laying out the scheme and then maybe put some of it on this evening to finish it up in the morning. So hopefully by tomorrow I'll have a finished product to show you guys. But there it is, man. Same price for the kit and a regular brush ready to run. I just like building the kits, and obviously didn't use the stock high center chassis, as you can tell. But other than that, I'm nowhere near $300 in this truck right now, and I'm extremely happy. But there you guys go. Hope you have a great Saturday, and until the next video, we'll see you.